Welcome to the Engineerable channel and another episode of What's in the Box? Gel Blaster editions. So there have been a lot of these different gel blasters coming out on the market, and this is one of the first manual ones that I've seen. And to me, this actually takes it to another fun level because instead of just spraying and praying like you do with the automatic electric ones, you really have to play with a lot more strategy with this manual pump action style blaster. And it's also a lot less expensive, and you don't have to worry about charging batteries or motors going bad or gears going bad. I mean, there's not a lot to go wrong inside of this blaster. It'll wear out eventually maybe if you use it enough, but your arm might wear out before that. So it claims a velocity of up to 160 FPS. I'm going to tell you that in my testing, I found it to be much more powerful than that. Keep watching and you'll see later when we do the FPS test to show you exactly how powerful it is. I can say that I was really impressed by the speed and the accuracy of this blaster. Let's check out what's inside and see what it comes with. Here's the instruction manual that comes with. The first thing is hydrate your gels. So you gotta let those sit in water for about 4 hours. So the blaster has a safety, so you have to lock it while you're loading and everything and unlock it before you shoot. It shows you how to load your gel balls, and it shows you how to cock it and launch. And here you have everything that this comes with. It only comes with 1,000 gel balls, which is going to be plenty if you're shooting manually compared to an automatic or semi-automatic electric version. But you're going to want to buy some more gel balls soon because you're going to run out of these pretty quick. This bottle is sized to fit a pack of 500 gel balls. It's a pretty nice bottle. It's got a little pouring spout. It's not watertight, so when you're letting the gel soak, you're going to have to stand it up right. Got some safety glasses. These look like your run-of-the-mill kind of lab-style safety glasses. These safety glasses will work. I would recommend getting some goggles or something better than these safety glasses. And make sure you always wear your safety glasses when using this or any other gel blaster or anything with projectiles, because this gel blaster particularly shoots a lot harder than 160 FPS. If you get hit in the eye with this, it's going to do some damage. And finally, we have the blaster itself. Here's a little spring clip. Then we've got a top-loading hopper. Supposedly it can hold like 120 rounds. One thing I like about this hopper is it's nice and big. There's plenty of room to pour your gels in there. We've got the safety switch here. So now it's on safety, the trigger doesn't move. And then it's on fire, and the trigger pulls back. And then to use this blaster, once you've loaded up the gels, you just pull back on here, cocks it, this piece comes out the back. This is like a warning flag that like, look, it's cocked, it's ready to go, so don't mess around. If you have it on the safety, it doesn't work, you have to put it on fire, and then it shoots. Now, it's pretty quiet compared to an electric blaster. So if you're hiding during a game and you're shooting this blaster, someone might not know where the shots are coming from because it's a lot quieter than the electric blasters. So this is much more discreet. So check out the next video where I do some speed tests to see how fast it shoots and to see how far and accurate it shoots also. Thanks, and see you next time.